7 in the morning.
7 morning.
She woke up at like 7:50. I woke up at 7:45. Yeah.
I make it
Nah. How's that working out for you?
Look at him.
And I have a cheese dip. Yes, we are eating them still.
Olympic Games.
Yeah, the Winter Olympics for our church. So, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Wouldn't you say? But if they separate Maggie and I, somebody's gonna get hurt. Somebody's gonna get hurt bad. Anyway, E.T. says, I'm not pink. I'm not pink. I'm not pink. Yeah, we're hyper in the morning.
Yeah. That's hyper last night.
No, it's hyper as last night. Y'all saw what happened last night. Okay, why is she kissing a naked Barbie doll?